Hey everyone, Dave here. The Orosound Tild Pro quickly became a highly popular Bluetooth headset for work because of how well it performed at canceling out background noise. That's why we even labeled the video "The Mic That Shocked the World." Unfortunately, earlier this year, the Orosound Tild Pro was discontinued. However, the good news is that it's been replaced with a more evolved headset with the next generation Orosound Tild Evo, which has some significant improvements. And later in this video, we're going to test out the AI noise canceling microphone that's built into this headset. Going to test it against barking dogs, typing, and even a crazy loud blender so you can hear the performance for yourself. The Orosound Tild Evo is a premium Bluetooth wireless headset that has AI noise canceling technology built into it. So it's made for environments that have a lot of noise. When you really need to concentrate, it'll help block out that distracting noise so you can be more focused and productive. As well, if you have a lot of phone calls with noise, like people talking in the background, it will cancel out that noise as well. It's worn over the head and will cover both your ears. However, there's two options available as far as how you can wear it. You have the C option, which is the larger over-ear cushions that fully enclose your ears, and this is best if you need the most noise canceling protection for your hearing. So if you really need more quiet and focused time, the C cushions are going to provide the best performance. Alternatively, there is the S style ear cushions, which are worn on the ear. They're a little bit thinner and also makes the headset lighter. It costs a little bit less, which it's not going to do as good of a job as the C style ear cushions at blocking out surrounding noise, but it still does quite a good job. The Tild Evo follows the same French design as the Orosound Tild Pro, as you have this gray cloth wrap material on the side of the headband as well as the ear cushions, and a satin gray finish for the body of the headset, whereas most business headsets are typically just black. There are some significant design improvements over the previous generation, as there's a new stretchy leatherette cushion at the top of the headband, which helps make the headset feel lighter than it actually is. Combined with the adjustable headband and the super soft plushy leatherette ear cushions helps make the headset a lot more comfortable than previous and makes it able to be worn for a full working day, as long as you take a couple breaks throughout the day. There's a new gooseneck microphone boom, which is super bendable and allows you to position the microphone closer to your mouth so you can get the best microphone performance. Typically with a headset that has active noise cancellation, it's going to limit the microphone boom only being on one side of your face, whereas the Tild Evo actually rotates 270 degrees and allows the microphone boom to be worn on the right side or left side of your face, and I always prefer having my microphone boom on the right side. The speakers are able to rotate 180 degrees, so you can lay the headset flat on the desk, either ear cushion down or face down. Either way, it also gives the headset a lot of flexibility on how it can shape and mold to your head, making it even more customizable. The Tild Evo is powered with Bluetooth version 5.4, and it'll give you around 50 to 75 feet of wireless range. It also has a 1000 milliamp hour battery, which means that you're going to get about a full day's worth of battery life, even when you have the noise canceling mode turned on. Included in the box is the headset, the USB cable for charging the headset, the USB adapter for connecting the headset to your computer, and you have the cloth pouch that makes it easier for storing the headset while traveling. One additional accessory that is optional, but I think it is a must-have, is the charging stand. It gives you a place that is dedicated to storing and recharging your headset, because I am notorious, if I am just having the USB cable, to forget to recharge my headset and have a dead headset the next day. In addition, it also has 2 extra USB-C ports on the charging base. You'll plug in the charging stand to the computer with the USB cable. You do not need a AC power adapter, which is nice. I like that there's the 2 extra ports on the charging stand, so you can actually plug in the USB dongle for the Orosound Tild Pro into the charging stand, so you're only taking up one USB port on your computer. Plus, you can use the other port for anything like your keyboard, your mouse, or any other USB device you want to plug in. Setup is super easy. You'll just plug in the USB dongle to your computer, tap the power button on the headset, and it's automatically pre-paired and it will be ready to go with your computer. And with the Bluetooth multi-pairing functionality, you'll be able to pair it up to your smartphone in addition to your computer so that you can use one powerful headset for both your phone and your computer. Setting up the headset with your work applications like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, RingCentral is super simple. All you'll do is you'll select the Orosound Tild Evo from your speaker and microphone settings on your application, and you're ready to go. There are 7 buttons on the headset. You'll have your power on, off, or pairing button, the ANC button, which will toggle between your noise cancellation mode on, off, or aware mode. More on that later. Your answer or end button, you'll have a dedicated mute button at the end of the microphone boom, which you can also lift the microphone boom up to mute, which I do prefer to do it that way, so I know my microphone is muted. On the other speaker, you'll have the button for volume up, down, and pause or play music, which I found actually works quite well. While active on a phone call, there are 3 red LED lights that light up on both sides of the headset and one at the end of the microphone boom. This lets people around you know you're busy on a phone call and not to disrupt you, which helps increase your productivity. You'll notice these small holes on the body of the headset. This is where small microphones are located and what powers the AI noise canceling feature so that you're able to block out background noise going on around you. So ultimately, at the end of the day, you can be less disrupted and more productive. When paired with the oversized C-style ear cushions that fully enclose your ears, this is going to provide the best levels of noise cancellation and protection for your hearing, which surprisingly, this style of headset really isn't overly common with business grade headsets. When you toggle the ANC button, you'll hear 3 different modes: the noise cancellation mode on, off, or aware mode. The aware mode is a feature that allows the microphones on the body of the headset to pick up the noise that's going on around you. So you'll be able to have a conversation with somebody without having to take off your headset. And it's actually processed through their AI noise canceling technology. So if you're talking to somebody and there's a lot of background noise, it helps reduce that noise so you can hear the person more clearly. The speakers are powered with 40mm speakers, which actually provides an awesome audio experience. The volume gets loud, the bass is booming, and music sounds quite good. And of course, calls and meetings are going to sound good as well. AI noise canceling processor built into the headset also powers the microphone noise canceling technology with this headset. There are 2 MEMS microphones built into the mic boom of this headset, and that's what powers how well you sound as far as voice quality and also the noise canceling abilities of the headset. Have a listen to how well this headset performs for yourself.
All right, now this is what it sounds like in the Tild Evo in a quiet environment. This is what it sounds like. And just to show this gooseneck microphone boom, this is what it sounds like when I start bending the microphone. Now just bending it back here to the corner of my mouth. This is what it sounds like in a quiet environment on the Tild Evo. All right, this is what it sounds like with typing going on in the background. With the Evo, this is what it sounds like with typing. What it sounds like with typing going on in the background. All right, this is what it sounds like with barking dogs going on in the background. This is what it sounds like. And that is what it sounds like with barking dogs going on in the background. All right, this is what it sounds like with crying baby going on in the background. This is what it sounds like on the Tild Evo with crying baby. And that is what it sounds like with crying baby going on in the background. And this is what it sounds like with a roaring loud blender going on in the background with the Tild Evo. As you heard, that's about 90 decibels, way too loud of the blender with the Tild Evo.
What did you think of the microphone? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. And we also have a new testing feature on our website. If you go to headsetadvisor.com/mic test, you can test out the microphone for yourself if you want to hear how your voice sounds like. Overall, the Orosound Tild Evo is about $100 less than the previous generation at around the $300 mark, depending upon which version you get, or if you add in the charging stand. Now it packs in more features, you have a more comfortable design, and the performance is actually better. If you need a headset that's going to fully surround your ears and provide the best levels of noise cancellation, like if you work in an open office type environment, maybe you work from home and have kids at home, this is about as best as it's going to get. If you're interested in purchasing this headset, it is available on our website. Just go to headsetadvisor.com/Evo. And you can use coupon code YouTube to get even deeper discount. Otherwise, if you're deploying for a team of people, reach out to our team here at Headset Advisor, call, email, or live chat, and we can verify compatibility with your systems, make sure this is the best recommendation, and of course, get you demo units to try it out for yourself. So we would love the opportunity to help. If you need more microphone noise cancellation, we developed a new noise canceling app called Neep Noise Canceling. It's an app you download on your computer, and it provides AI noise cancellation on any headset or microphone you have, especially beneficial if you work in an open office or with a lot of people in the background. It'll provide that extra level of noise cancellation. You can check the full in-depth review video we did right up here, test it with all sorts of background noise. Otherwise, you can try it for free by going to neep.com. Other than that, that's all I got for you on this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.